Faber Piano Adventures, Level 2B, page 40 and 41. The song is called Riding the Wind. In this piece, we're learning a new musical form. This musical form is called ABA form. What they want you to do is you'll see these bluish purplish boxes above some of the bars. They want you to write A on the first box, B on the second box, and A again on the third box you see on page 41. Why they call it ABA is because section A and section A are the same section, meaning it's repeating. That way you're going from section A into section B, which is different, and then going back to section A to conclude the piece. Now, section A at the end isn't exactly the same as section A at the beginning. It's close, but not exact. So I'll talk about the differences at the end of the piece. Now let's talk about where to get started with our fingers. In the last song we learned that new note, A. Here's middle C, moving down to A. We're actually going to be starting on that note in this song with our second finger, like this. That's our position for the right hand. Second finger on A, first is on G, third B, fourth C, fifth G. Now our left hand is going to be starting on E, two notes down, with our third finger. And you'll notice our thumbs are battling here. They are sharing the same key. So third on E, second on F, thumbs on G together, fourth on D, and our fifth on C. We're going to be playing some pedal in this piece. The pedal does stop in section B, so make sure you take the pedal off, and then put it back on the final section. There's also treble clef written in the bass clef in this piece, which indicates that our left hand will cross over and play somewhere in the treble clef. So watch for that as I play the piece, and then look on the sheet music to see where that treble clef sign is. So let me demonstrate Riding the Wind. And this is how you play Riding Like the Wind. So you'll notice at the very beginning of the song, as I was playing here, I crossed my left hand over to E with my third finger. That's because in the bass clef they wrote a treble clef, meaning this note in the bass clef is now a treble clef note. The first line of the treble clef is E, right? Every good boy, E is the first line. And then my right hand comes under to A again. And now my hand stays in that position for this part. And it says prepare left hand. They want you to move your left hand back down early so that you don't pause. We play the same pattern. Cross over to the E, cross under to the A, make sure you play those as quarter notes and then a half note at the end. Now this is section B on measure 17. We're playing no pedal, and then the left hand plays that melody. Almost. And then we go back to section A again. We have to move our hands back down here. Cross over. Stay in this position. Slow down. Watch your pedaling there. Octave higher at the last note. You'll notice there's an 8 VA with a little bracket above that last note, with the fermata, meaning you can hold it a little bit longer to be more dramatic. Those are all the main points of this piece. Hopefully that little tutorial helped you, and this concludes riding the wind.